This is a category overview of the PLANEX drywall sanders. I will go over the similarities and the differences between all three. This is the brand new PLANEX M. We have the PLANEX 2.0 and we have the PLANEX EZ. Well, the first thing you're going to see is two of them are fixed handle. The PLANEX EZ, the long reach, and the PLANEX M with the T handle. In the middle is the PLANEX 2.0. It has the T handle, but it's also expandable. So you can work with a short format in hallways, closets, and tight areas, or let it become a long reach sander for those ceilings and high up on the wall. So two of these have the same orbit and one of them is different. The PLANEX EZ has a rotary orbit where the PLANEX M and the PLANEX 2.0 are random orbit orbitals. So the PLANEX 2.0, the expandable PLANEX, has something the other two don't have, and that is the LED light. So as you're sanding, you can check your surface for perfection. So the PLANEX M and the PLANEX 2.0 have wall and ceiling suction control, where the PLANEX EZ does not. On the three PLANEXes, one has a straight handle, and that's the PLANEX EZ, where the PLANEX 2.0 and the PLANEX M both have a straight handle, but they also have this T handle. Okay, so all three PLANEX have some similarities, and it's quite easy. They have a flexible head system, so the head articulates on the ceiling or the wall perfectly. They all have variable speed, and they also use the same abrasive and same dust extractor, the CT Auto Clean Festool, whether it's a 36 or 48 Auto Clean. So that's a quick overview of the PLANEX system of sanders, whether it's the PLANEX M, the PLANEX expandable 2.0, or the PLANEX EZ. And hopefully you found this helpful. So let's get sanding to the walls and the ceiling.